In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Book of Meme on Solana. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to actually buy Book of Meme, you must actually first have a Solana wallet, and for this video, I'll be using Phantom Wallet. So if you've already set up your Phantom Wallet and you've already sent over some money, you can skip forward in the video. But first, I'm going to quickly show you how you can get Solana into your wallet. So to start with, you'll have to head over to some sort of exchange, and I'm just using Binance. So you can actually buy crypto by going up to the top left corner, and you can choose any of these payment methods to actually buy Solana. Now, once you have actually bought Solana and it's in your account like this, you can simply choose to withdraw, and then for the coin, you can select Solana. And for the network, since we're sending on the Solana network, we're going to be choosing Sol right here. And we now have to enter in our Phantom wallet address. So once you've got your wallet set up, it will look something like this. And you'll actually be able to see the name of your wallet at the top right here. As you can see, mine's called Photon. And on the right, there's a symbol that we can click to copy our wallet address, which we can then paste in here so that we can send Solana from the exchange over to our Phantom wallet. Now, once you have actually funded your wallet, you want to head over to a site called Jupiter. Now, you can also use Radium, but personally, I prefer using Jupiter as I think it's a lot more reliable and it works a lot better. So you can connect your Phantom wallet in the top right corner. And once it's connected, you should be able to see your balances. So here you can see I've got some Solana in my wallet. So now we have to find the Book of Meme contract address to paste in here. So to find that, I'll be using CoinGecko, and I recommend doing this so that you can find the correct address, and this will save you from buying the wrong coin. So you can simply go up to the search bar and type BOME, and here we can see Book of Meme. And from here, when we click on that, we see the page, and we can scroll down to where it says contract so that we can find this contract address right here, which we can copy. We can now head back over to Jupiter, and in the bottom we want to change this to receive one. So as you can see, it's currently set to with, so I can click on this and then I can paste in the address that we just got, and as you can see, here's Book of Meme. So we can click on it and we can now choose how much Solana worth we want to buy, and from there the final thing we need to do is change the slippage. So by default it'll probably be set to 1, but I recommend going over to custom and changing it to 3 and clicking save. From there you can go ahead and click swap, and here you can see we'll be swapping Solana, and in return we will get Book of Meme. So we can then click confirm, and after just a few seconds our transaction will be confirmed and we will have successfully swapped Solana for Book of Meme. So that's how you can buy Book of Meme on Solana. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.